Hello, everybody. So my name is Leo, and also my legal name is Zifeng Li. My project name is Facet Counting. So today I'm gonna just show you my final presentation right here. Let the live fly here, and I'll start. Yeah, it's really slow. Oh, to the next. Okay. So the first question is why we need that. Like previously, our recompute operation only have like projection, like dot product, cosine similarity. When you just client want to just send a one key, you will get one value. But the fuzzy counting can do like generate the occurrence of the field, and also you can define the bucket you want. So for example, like when you want to find how many Leos in your data set, or how many senior level engineer in your data set, you will figure it out. So let's deep dive to the definition. What is fuzzy counting? The fuzzy counting have two core features or functions. So the first one is called count by value. So it can just like groups fields contained by value, counts occurrence, and return top K, like the example I said. And also the second one is count by bucket. So you can't define the bucket by yourself. So you can't define like 20 to 25 is entry level, 25 to 30 is mid level, and 30 to 40 is staff level. So you will figure how many people in your range. So that's the two functions of fuzzy counting. Okay, so let's deep dive to the count by value. So clients can use the API like this. So you can just count by value with top K and field name. You will figure it out. The top three job type, location, and experience level, and you will generate the result like that. That's pretty user friendly to find the top three job type or location or experience level. So for the implementation of this feature, so firstly, we need to like send the request and have the validation. So we need to validate the field if the field name is legal, and also do the data retrieval and the local aggregation. So we can't just project all the field name and just like generate how many field name in your dataset, and also do the top K. Like we can just sort and do the limit thing and collect the result to back to a client. So that's count by value. So what is count by bucket? The count by bucket is, as you can see in the example, you can define the experience level by pay. You can use the API like this to generate the salary range. So the entry level, how many people are entry level, how many people are mid level, how many people are seniors level. Not only about the pay, you can just define the bucket with age, or just location or kind of things. We have a lot of predicates to deal with a lot of situation. Like we have int predict, predicate, long predicate, flow predicate, and double predicate. You can deal with a lot of data types, and also like have a lot of methods like equal to, greater or equal, lower than, lower or equal, and any of. And also we have and or operation. So we can do like a nested operation. But it have a restriction because when you face a lot of nested operation, it will crush. So we will discuss this later. Okay, so for the Kanban bucket implementation is firstly you also do the validation to check the field name, and also like we need to check the type, so which type it belong with, and also we need to do the bucket evaluation, so to generate the result by their bucket type. Okay, so here is a quick demo uh, of two features. Uh, that's pretty slow. Uh, so I uh, So I will just take some introduction of here. Yeah, so firstly, we pop all the data into the store. It's in the EI store. So after we pop all the data, we can try to test the count by value and count by bucket. And I just use the query script to validate whether the result is correct. So yeah, so we use the query script to generate the result like this. Yeah, so firstly, we just generate all the data to ensure that we uh, retrieve all the data correctly. And also we use the count by value to generate the John appear 3 times, Bob appear 2 times, Jane appear 2 times, Mike appear 1 time. So this is count by value, the effect of this one. And also the count by bucket. So we define the bucket with the age, so it's like this. So we'll generate the result, like how many people is young employees, and uh, let's just yeah. So we generate a result like this: how many employees in the bucket, how many early career in the bucket. So that's the impact of these two features. So yeah, so this is a client side of the Facet Counting. So after done this, this is a basic requirement of my summer project. So I still have a bunch of time. So I want to just because I want to move to the server side because due to the client side, when you just face a big data set, so it will crush. So it will be better to just take it to the server side. The server side is way more difficult than client side because client side is all about APIs. But the server side, what you need to deal with like partition logic, routers, servers, and how to send the request, how to generate the results. So that's way more complicated. So due to server side, so is a reason why I just discussed the reason why we just moved to the server side. So this is the basic process to send the request and receive the results. So let me just discuss with this. So we just do the server side fuzzy counting on fast client because fast client is better to deal with a big data set than thin client. So and also the thin client need to deal with the logic of router. So that's really complicated. So we need to deal with on fast client because fast client just directly send to request to the server. So firstly, the fast client send the gRPC request to the server, and server do the parse and route request. It's same to the get and the batch get previously. So it will just go through with the 6 handler chains and also validate the input, and server just do the data retrieval and count the value on the server. So after doing this, server generate all the maps and send back to the fast client, and the fast client to do the top K operation. So that's a basic process of the server side. So the function and features are same to the client side. So I don't need to just display some demo of this. So yeah. So after this is the production achievement. So that's what I'm really proud of because without production, it makes no sense. So production is the most important thing in the whole project. So luckily this week I just finished the production with my customer. So customer successfully onboarded. So customer really use these functions in their production. So I'm really happy about that. So that's what I'm done in this summer. Uh, okay, thank you. And also the most important part. So yeah, let the lion fly away. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.